Headline: Tech industry cuts 80,000 jobs in Q1 2026, nearly half attributed to AI. What happened? Q1 2026 tech layoffs hit 78,557 workers. 37,638 of those cuts, 47.9%, were attributed to reduced need for human workers because of AI and workflow automation. 44% of managers cite AI as the primary driver. Why it matters? This is not net job destruction yet. Who is affected? Workers, students, small businesses, and everyday consumers in the job evolution space. What to do now? This week, search for one free AI tool related to job evolution and spend 20 minutes exploring it. In the next month, follow one trusted source covering this area. Long-term, build a habit of asking, how could AI help here? Once a day. Daily example. Imagine you're finishing a report at work. This is the kind of tool that could handle the first draft while you focus on the judgment calls. Reassurance. You don't need to be a tech expert. Curiosity and a willingness to try is enough. Source: Tom's Hardware and TechNews. City reporting on Q1 2026 layoff tracker data.